The Philippines, a nation of vibrant culture and breathtaking beauty, faces a stark reality. Millions are trapped in a cycle of poverty and inequality, hindering progress and undermining the potential of a generation. This isn't just a statistic, it is a crisis impacting families, communities, and the very fabric of our nation. We must act now, not just to alleviate suffering, but to build a truly equitable and prosperous future for all Filipinos. The 2023 poverty rate of 22.4% and the high income inequality reflected in Gini coefficient of 40.7% in 2021 underscore the urgency of this call to action.
Understanding the complexities, a look at current realities. This persistent inequality isn't accidental. It's the result of systemic challenges that intertwine and reinforce each other and are vividly illustrated by current events.
Equal access to quality education. Poverty severely limits access to quality education.
Financial barriers prevent enrollment for many, while inadequate resources in public schools, such as textbooks, technology, and qualified teachers, and widespread malnutrition hinder learning. The increase in tuition fees at some universities in July 2024, disproportionately affecting low-income students, further highlights this inequality. The result? Poor academic performance, high dropout rates, and severely weakened human capital base. This impacts not only individuals but also the overall capacity of the nation to develop and compete economically.
Limited access to healthcare, which restricts the access to quality healthcare, leading to preventable illness, malnutrition, and reduced productivity,
hindering their ability to escape this debilitating situation. The surge in dengue fever cases from June to August 2024, the lack of access to healthcare disproportionately affects children, impacting their ability to learn and develop fully.
Vulnerability to natural disaster. The Philippines' geographical location make it highly susceptible to natural disaster, which disproportionately impact the poor,
destroying livelihoods and exacerbating existing inequalities. Typhoon Hana and the subsequent flooding in several regions of the country displaced thousands of families,
kikilaban sa hamon ng buhay. Nagsisimula sa zero,
leaving them without homes, food, or access to education. High inflation, which peaked in September 2023, further worsens the situation, eroding the purchasing power of low-income families and making it even harder for them to recover from these disasters.
The devastating ripple effect.
Tumigil ako sa pag-aaral kasi ako yung inaasahan ng pamilya ko sa pang-araw-araw na gastusin.
a broken educational system, inadequate education perpetuates poverty, a deepening social divide, the widening gap between rich and poor fuels social unrest, increased crime, and fractured society.
Natatapos lamang ng halos isang linggo na pagkilos ng mga driver at operatives.
Stunted economic growth. Widespread of poverty limits economic progress.
Our call to action, building a more equitable future.
Nag-drop out ako kasi kailangan kong magtrabaho. Kung di, magugutom kami.
Ang solusyon, programang Edukasyon Plus. Libreng edukasyon plus a government internship program na may 5,000 monthly allowance. Hindi na kailangan mamili sa pag-aaral o sa pagtulong sa pamilya. Mas marami nang aangat ang buhay. Edukasyon Plus ang tunay na solusyon laban sa kahirapan.
As in education, this is not about just funding.
Fund healthcare access. Affordable and quality healthcare is not a luxury. It is a fundamental right.
Promote inclusive economic growth. We must create opportunities for all, supporting small businesses,
investing in rural development, and promoting job creation that benefits in low-income communities.
Strengthening social safety nets.
The Pantawid Pamilyang Filipino Program or 4Ps is a crucial step, but it needs strengthening.
Gayong buwan ng Nobyembre, magsisimula ng makuhang muli ng mga miyembro ng Pantawid Pamilya Pilipino Program o 4Ps ang kanilang payout.
Combat corruption. Misuse of public funds directly undermines efforts to alleviate the poverty. Transparency and accountability are paramount to ensure that the resources reaches who need them most.
We've seen the faces of poverty.
We've heard the stories of struggle.
We know the depth of the inequality.
But we also know the power of hope.
The power of community. The power of collective action.
Let's not stand by and watch.
Let's fight for better peace, for the better education.
For better health.
For better future to all Filipinos.
Hope! Action! Change!